Hey guys, welcome back. If you've been looking for the ultimate dash cam to protect yourself, your car, and your passengers, you're in the right place. Today I'm reviewing two of the hottest dash cams on Amazon. The Vantrue N5 4-channel Wi-Fi 360-degree all-sides dash cam and the 70mai 4K 800 3-channel dash cam. Both are packed with cutting-edge features like STARVIS 2 sensors, HDR night vision, Wi-Fi, GPS, 24-hour parking mode, and even voice control. Whether you're driving for Uber, Lyft, or just want complete peace of mind on the road, these cameras have you covered. Stick around because I'll break down the pros, cons, and real customer feedback so you can decide which one is right for you. Product 1. The Vantrue N5 is a true 360-degree all-sides dash cam. It records with 4 lenses, front, rear, and dual inside cameras, at 2.7K plus 1080p quality. It's loaded with STARVIS 2 image sensors, infrared night vision, GPS, and buffered parking mode that records even before an impact happens. It also supports up to 512GB cards, so you won't run out of storage. Pros: wide coverage from every angle, crisp night vision, reliable parking mode. Cons: installation can be a little tricky, and it's priced higher than standard dash cams. Customer review. Highlight: buyers on Amazon praise the amazing all-around protection and say it's perfect for rideshare drivers who want proof inside and outside the car. Best for anyone who wants total coverage and peace of mind. Families, Uber/Lyft drivers, or anyone who parks in busy areas. Product 2. The 70mai 4K 800 is a powerful 3-channel dash cam with dual 4K lenses for front and rear, plus a 1080p cabin cam. It uses the Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor with HDR night vision for clear footage, day or night. It comes with Wi-Fi 6 and optional 4G LTE, plus ADAS safety alerts. It also supports up to 512GB storage and has a 24-hour parking mode. Pros: ultra-clear 4K video front and rear, advanced safety features, sleek design. Cons: cabin camera is only 1080p, and ADAS alerts can feel sensitive at times. Customer review. Highlight: users love the sharp video quality, saying license plates are readable even at night. One reviewer mentioned it's the best dash cam they've owned for highway driving. Perfect for drivers who want crystal clear video proof without the complexity of a 4-channel system. So, which dash cam should you pick? If you need maximum protection from every angle, the Vantrue N5 is the all-in-one beast for rideshare drivers or parents with kids in the car. But if you want incredible 4K quality with easier setup, the 70mai T800 is a fantastic choice for everyday drivers. Both are loaded with smart features, night vision, and parking protection. It really comes down to whether you want 360-degree coverage or sharper 4K detail. Check the links in the description for the latest deals on Amazon. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.